What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kev82 TV, your positive culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be installing a rear visor on my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate. Yes, manual transmission. So, dude, this is going to be an easy install, but this is one of those things where I film every step of the journey, every cosmetic and performance mod on my Genesis Coupe Batmobile, so that I just take you guys along with the journey, and I hope this is helpful. This is going to be done solo. I suggest you do this with somebody. It makes your life a lot easier, but that's okay if you don't got somebody. I'm an impatient type of person, so I really don't want to wait around for somebody. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it solo by myself. So let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do obviously is unbox it or whatever. And if you guys have been watching my videos lately, I'm in love with the new setup. What do you guys think, man? You guys might have seen Dustin Davis stories, the last episode 3. Yeah, so if you guys watched this, you already saw the setup, dude. I'm in love with it. But yeah, let's get on with the unboxing and see what we got cracking over here. So, get this box. So yeah, this is the box that you get in the mail, and pretty self-explanatory. I'm actually gonna mount this on my head to make my life a lot easier, so give me a second. All right, so here's the box that it comes in. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull the piece out. See what it comes with. I believe it comes with instructions already, like open the top or whatever. So go pull it out. And there it is. Ooh. Yeah, it's cool. It's covered in like this plastic thing, whatever, so you don't get it with a bunch of smudges or scratches and stuff. Pretty cool. Yeah, and inside here is instructions. Pretty sure it's straightforward. And of course, the link for this will be in the description down below. It tells you pretty basically what to do. Clean the surface with only water or alcohol. I have alcohol right here, and I really suggest using alcohol. You can use two-step, or you can use glass cleaner and then alcohol, or water and then alcohol. But I cleaned the car ahead of time because my car was extremely dirty. So if you want to clean your car first, it just makes more sense aesthetically. Your car will look really good. You don't have to worry about, like, I don't know how it would do if you basically put this on and then try washing your car, and then this would start to like unstick. So I wouldn't do that. I would wash the car first. And then I plan on not driving this thing for like the next 4 hours too. I want it to really stick good. I don't want to jump in the car and try to drive it and this thing starts moving and starts coming off. I'm not too sure how good it is. That's why I'm saying that, but I'm pretty sure it's good enough. All right, so peel the protective backing approximately 2 to 4 inches from the center of the mounting tape. Aligned at the top edge of the visor, lower until, okay, so it just basically tells you to do. Okay, so basically the instructions pretty much tell you how to do it, but we're gonna do this together. So basically, I guess you would stick some of it and then get it in the center and then peel the tape off like that. So yeah, let's go and jump into it. So the first thing we're gonna obviously have to do is take this plastic off. It's really sticky. But this is clean. Ooh, this is so pleasing to do. It's like when you get something new and you peel off the plastic. Comment down below, you guys like that type of stuff. It's like saying, ooh, I like the way it looks. That's why I chose this. You have the option of this or the carbon fiber look, but I didn't want to go with the carbon fiber look just because it's not real. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it like this because I don't want to get my fingerprints all on it while I'm trying to install it. So we're gonna go ahead and mock it up. Well, actually what I'm gonna do a little bit is kind of get it, I'm gonna do like this. You guys don't have to do like this. I'm just, yeah. So I'm gonna do like this, just so I don't get all my fingerprints on this beautiful stuff and have to try to like shine it afterwards. I want it to be nice and fresh. Yeah, so I'm loving the new setup with the garage. This right here is one of the main reasons why I'm loving it. All this space. I didn't have this before. I had that stupid shelf over there in the way. So let's go ahead and mock it up. It sits on the edge. And one thing I can tell you guys, for you Genesis Coupe owners, please, I really need for you guys to take care of your rubber on the on your Genesis Coupe, because mine is shot to bleep. All this is like pretty much dried out. It's bad. I did not take care of my rubber. All right, so let's see how it mocks up. Okay, so it's gonna mock up pretty decently. I just wanna, there's that side, it's gonna be like this. I think the middle is gonna be, have a slight, minute gap. Let's see. All right, I can try to push it in like that. Okay. Yeah. All right, so let's kind of get an idea where it's gonna be. I'm gonna go ahead and get my alcohol, wipe it down. So I'm going to dab my cloth. You don't have to have too much. So you're gonna get all the edges of where you're gonna be installing it. That's gonna be the main focus. You can go a little further down just for, you know, whatever. Get that alcohol in there. I'm gonna dab a little bit more. The alcohol, pretty much, you'll notice it dries right away. Like, it's one of those things. It's not gonna be wet for like a couple minutes. Like, if you guys have ever done any type of decals in your car or whatnot, just know to always use alcohol before you put it, because it cleans the surface. But alcohol dries rapidly, so just a FYI. Get that door open, because we will be using that. There we go. Put that over there, put the alcohol back. So it's time to go for the gusto and see how this goes. All right, so I'm gonna do, I guess we can start off on half. Let's see. I'd rather edit this footage. You guys staring at me trying to peel back tape. All right, so what we're going to do is we're gonna line up. I'm gonna peel back some of it, because I don't know, if I peel back too much, it might stick too fast. So I'm gonna do like this, like they instructed. I mean, like the instructions said. I'm gonna peel it back. I'm gonna line up one side like this, right? And then I'm gonna get it till it's almost lined up on the other side. All right. Get this corner tucked, all right? Just a little bit. I'm gonna use that to hold it still. You know what I mean? So that's gonna hold it still. Then I'm gonna try to line up this corner also, because by me not sticking a whole lot, I can move it a little bit, but the more you stick, the more it's gonna stay. So this is gonna be our permanent like spot basically. And then I can see it's already like kind of sticking. Yeah. Then you can use this corner to start peeling up. Like I said, if you have two people, I mean a friend or somebody, I should have waited till my wife got home to do this, but edit footage. It was taking me a second to get that, get this thing unstuck. So far the lineup is pretty good on that corner. I know exactly it's pretty much measured itself. Get the corner, stick the corner, and then this is what they instructed. So Hopefully this doesn't rip. This red tape prep. I'm like, please don't rip. Please don't rip, because if it rips, I'm kind of low-key screwed. So it's lined up on that side. I mean, check on the opposite side. And then one thing I've got to make sure I do before I start sticking everything is get this one right here. I'm just doing this to be kind of careful not to stick it the wrong way. Edit footage. All right, so I thought it would be funny to say that every single time I have to cut a clip. Edit footage. Yeah, so just the little time jumps or whatever. So get this unstuck, and this is pretty much where it's gonna be. So if it's wrong, then so be it. But now we're good. We're good. The main focus I was getting focused on is the corners, because it seems like this lines up perfectly with the corners of the Genesis Coupe rear window, and that just ripped. Okay. Oh no, it didn't rip. I'm starting to freak out. I was like, no, it ripped. No, I didn't. And then we'll just peel back this side. We're pretty much where we're gonna need to be at. So we're gonna carefully unstick the backing. Make sure it stays where it needs to stay. Actually, cool, look. Just lift it up a little bit. Get it where it needs to be. This is go for the gusto. This is do or die. Push it up as it goes down a little bit. Because the main thing, my only worry is the corners. There we go. That side is done. Cool. And then we'll come over here and we'll do the same. I'm gonna have to unpull. I'm gonna have to pull this one off. So cut footage. All right, so I got this little corner piece off. So that half side is already stuck. And then I had it basically mocked up, but let's go ahead and take off the rest. It actually unsticks a little bit, like, which is good. It's not too over adhesive, if that makes sense, if that's even a word. Super gluey. It's not super duper gluey. And when you first try to stick it, and we are done. Once we stick this corner, whatever we did is what we have to deal with, and that is life. So that's pretty much it. We're going to, I got my neighbor right there with his nice Porsche truck right there. What's up, homie? Yeah, he's putting some rims on that thing, and you guys are gonna see him out and about with the some of the meets. So yeah, look forward to that. Yeah, but yeah, so we're pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sticking thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut footage. All right, so we're pretty much done. Let's go ahead and peel it back. Ooh wee, I love that. Look at that. You just got to see the reveal. Got the homie right here. Say what's up to the camera. You on camera? What's up, Dougie? Hey, you see the little setup with the garage? Yeah, I just did that just now. So he got to see the reveal. That's it right there. A little extra touch for the lines, you know, just something I just always wanted, you feel me? So got the garage set up, a little something different, you feel me? Had to move that shelf from over there to here, you know what I mean? A little something for them for the videos in the background. Oh yeah, but check this out. Since you here, I'm gonna let you know that the main reason wasn't these posters to move the thing, is this so I can have a space to buy and mount a green screen and do some sick backgrounds. What you think? That'd be nice, right? So y'all heard it right now, man. That was one of the things about moving the shelf was this is just a placeholder, but I plan on getting some big green screen and actually messing around and having some fun with some backgrounds or whatever, and for the videos later on. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Another small little touch to the car, man. Let's go ahead and cut some cinematics, man. Get this thing in the sunlight. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative as usual. I know a lot of other YouTubers or content creators might have already done this mod. It's like, oh, it's a very simple mod, I've already done it. That's cool, man. But if you guys are watching the video simply just to show your support for your boy, I appreciate it, man. For you guys that are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the content, if it helped you. Even if you already got this and you just want to show support for me, man, I appreciate it, man. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my content. Got some more awesome mods on the way, so stay tuned, dude. Gonna be working with a lot of people. Some projects are on hold, but when they release, the floodgates, I'm telling you, man, you guys are gonna love this content, dude. We're doing big things in 2021. Dude, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my next one, so you guys stay tuned to the channel. And remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.